What does contested divorce mean? Before going into the complexities of a divorce, we recommend understanding the two basic types of divorce in Texas, contested and uncontested. While both types lead to the dissolution of marriage, there are significant differences between the two. Hi, my name is Stacy and I am one of the attorneys with the law office of Brian Fagan. In this video, we will explore the differences between contested and uncontested divorces and the implications of each. Let's begin with the more common type, a contested divorce. A contested divorce means you have issues that may require the assistance of a family court judge to work through. A contested divorce doesn't mean you and your spouse must go through a family court trial. It simply recognizes unresolved and contested issues in your case. A contested divorce is a reflection of two important realities. The first reality is that you and your spouse are dealing with deep-set issues, and the only avenue to solve these problems is a divorce. The other reality is you and your spouse need to learn more about problem solving. While you have readily identified issues, you might not be equipped to settle the disputes. Now let's discuss the hassle-free type, an uncontested divorce. Communication is key to an uncontested divorce. An uncontested divorce occurs when both spouses have agreed on the issues related to divorce beforehand. Property division, child custody, and spousal support have all been discussed, and the court has no issues to resolve. An uncontested divorce doesn't mean there are no issues between you and your spouse. It indicates that you and your spouse will not use the courtroom to settle disputes. As already mentioned, uncontested divorces require patience and negotiation. We recommend our clients put aside major issues for a while and discuss settlement and solutions before filing an original petition for divorce. Eliminate distractions and you and your spouse can get down to the business. Simply having a conversation is a step towards an uncontested divorce. If you can look at a divorce and see the issues between the two of you, do not run that deep, then yours is a case that is a prime target for an uncontested status. The simpler your case is, the more likely it can be an uncontested divorce. On the other hand, emotional and complex divorces are more likely to be contested. So what's the next step? It's the filing of an original petition for divorce, which is significant in both contested and uncontested divorces. In an uncontested divorce, the original petition for divorce introduces the court to you and your spouse and states that you will not use the courtroom to settle your issues. Your spouse would also sign a waiver of service. This way, you will be saved from the trouble of having to hire a private process server to serve the divorce papers to your spouse. The waiver of service indicates that a typical contested divorce is not likely on the horizon. Divorce cases are lengthy and no fast track is available, even for uncontested divorce cases. From the day you file a divorce until the day a judge grants your divorce, a minimum of 60 days must have passed. The 60-day waiting period would allow you to resolve matters relating to dividing community property and child custody or conservatorship. There is no straightforward path to settling a divorce. Life could take an unexpected turn, and an uncontested divorce could become a contested divorce at the drop of a hat. Our attorneys have made contested divorces hassle-free and easily solvable. Your attorney can make all the difference. Contested and uncontested divorces in Texas differ significantly in time, cost, and an emotional toll. It is important to seek the advice of an experienced family law attorney to determine which type of divorce is appropriate for your situation. Our licensed family law attorneys offer free consultations in person, over the phone, and via Zoom. Please call our office today at 281-810-9760 to schedule your consultation. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to know more about Texas family law.